All right, so we're back here now with David Dang, and this is the bonus content. So if you are watching this, thank you for being part of the membership, and I'm hoping you're enjoying all the content. So I'm going to ask David the same question as I ask everybody, because we want to give you something where you can take away today and start implementing tomorrow. So David, are you ready?
Yep.
Sitting there in anticipation, he's been thinking about this for ages. Here we go. So if you could only do one thing in the next 30 days to guarantee an increase in profits, what would that one thing be?
I would definitely start building an audience. It's probably not going to pay off within 30 days. However, the payoff will be forever, like infinity. So I would start building an audience, get a following, and not just trying to get as many followers as possible. I would rather focus on be very, very specific with my audience, focus on one niche and very targeted, like affiliate marketing. Only get people who are interested in affiliate marketing, not just general online business, because it's very broad, right? So I will focus on, specific affiliate marketing, and that's it. And build an audience around it, put out content, educating. Like, the great thing with building an audience and putting out content is that you're not just getting free traffic, because later on, you don't have to pay for ads. So they save you lots of money, right? Another great thing is that you're also learning at the same time. You learn, whatever that you're learning, you just document your journey. You don't then post it as content to attract your followers. So you're learning, and then at the same time, it pay you off in terms of getting followers. So that's why I love building an audience. So it's beneficial in so many different ways. And you just save so much money on pay ads, and the traffic will be so much more targeted as well, right? Because they follow you now, they know you, they like you, they trust you, and you know what they're interested in. When you offer them something, they're much more likely to purchase compared to using pay ads, which cost you a lot of money, and the cost for pay advertising increasing every single day. You don't really have control over it. But with your own traffic, through organic, with your content that you attract them, that with your content is pretty much free and is so much more targeted, and people are so much more likely to buy from you. So that's what I would do if I have to start over again in 30 days.
You're starting that tomorrow. You would basically just niche down real tight and build that audience up, and then you can sell to them in the future. David, that's fantastic advice. So if anybody's doing that, then you can go ahead and get hold of David Smith. I'm going to drop some links below the video here, so you can actually go ahead and check out his Instagram, check out everything that he's got going on, and really appreciate it again, David. That's been awesome. Thank you very much.
Good. Thank you so much.
And